lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can make a DIY study planner. So if you're a student, having a study planner might really help you to stay on top of your school things, like when is the deadline to submit an assignment, your exam dates, or anything important. You can note it down and it will really help you to be a productive student. So let's see how you can make a DIY study planner. So I'm going to be making it out of a notebook. You can make it out of a notebook or bullet journal or few A4 sheets as well if you have. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to make a cover page for our study plan. I'm going to be mentioning it like study planner, that's it. I'm going to use the colorful sticky notes, like cut it into few little pieces and going to stick it with the glue, and that's it. That is what I'm thinking of doing. So let's okay, cover page is done. I really like how it turned out, the colorful sticky notes part. And in the next page, we are going to do this part called study motivation. Study motivational quotes that will inspire us, that will motivate us to study every day, even when we don't feel like. So you can write any quotes that you really like or something that really inspire you to study. You can write anything. I'm going to be writing few quotes that I really like and which I have used as a study motivation during my student phase. Let me know what is your favorite study quote in the comment section below. The quotes are done. So every time you flip through the planner, the first thing you will see is this motivating quotes, which will really motivate to use this planner and also to study. In next page, we are going to do like a course overview. So in this, you can like write your standard, or if you are studying in a college, you can write your course, and then you can write what are the subject you have under your standard or course. For example, if you're studying 8th standard, then what are the subjects you have in your class for 8th standard? You can write all our subject in one page to view. Next, we are going to make the timetable. So timetable is really important so that we can act accordingly to that every day. So you can write subject, which days those classes will be happening. You can write in any pattern that you like so that you can clearly understand that. Next, under that, I'm just going to be writing goals. And we are going to write our study goals so that we can be reminded of our study goals for the entire academic year. You can have any study goals, but make sure it's specific and it is realistic. You can say like you need this much percentage of attendance, or you need this much percentage to score in your upcoming exams. Next, we are going to make a monthly calendar, and you can just put like a calendar layout and you can write whatever exam or class test or project or any assignment that is due on a particular date. If you know anything, you can just mark it down so that you don't forget. Next is an ideal day routine, in which you can write how you want your ideal day to look like. Okay, when you want to wake up, when you want to study, when you want to do your homework, and when you want to relax and chill after your study session. Be specific and make an ideal day routine and stick with it and try it out and just reflect on it. If it works, then just continue. If it is not, then just reflect on what didn't went well and then redo another ideal day routine. Just keep repeating it until you find your ideal day routine. Okay, next is an assignment tracker. I cannot tell you guys enough like how much it was helpful for me in my college days. This spread, which is an assignment tracker. So for this, you have to just write serial number, assignment, and when is the deadline, and if you've done it or not, so that you can have a track of how many assignments that you need to complete and also when you need to submit it, so that you can plan accordingly. And also the satisfaction after we tick off that done list after completing an assignment is just awesome. So do have a spread of assignment tracker. I will definitely recommend assignment tracker spread. It will really helpful for you to keep track of your assignments and project. So do try it out. Next one is an exam tracker. If you're in school, then you can make like an exam tracker for each and every exam. You can write serial number, date, exam and marks so that you will be aware when is the particular exam, and also you can note down your marks for that particular exam so that you can be aware of your marks. Next one is a this week schedule. So in this you can use it as a to-do list for each and every day for your study related task. So you can write what you need to study, if you need to do a particular subject homework, or you need to focus on an assignment or a project. You can use this weekly spread for that. The final spread is a study log which will tell you how many hours you're studying every day. For this you have to mention the days at the bottom, and on the side you have to mention study hours, like how many hours you studied. So you can even include 0, which means you didn't study for that particular day, so that by seeing this graph you will see how you studied in a particular week. Be aware of your studying pattern, and you can change your study habits to do well, and it will help you to be aware of your study habits and act accordingly. So that's it. This is a DIY study planner that you can create out of your notebook, or if you have few pages every month you can do it. I hope this video might be helpful for you guys. If it is, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.